larger urban zone, or functional urban area, is a measure of the population and expanse of metropolitan areas in Europe. It consists of a city and its commuting zone. The LUS represents an attempt at a harmonized definition of the metropolitan area. Eurostat's objective was to have an area from which a significant share of the residents commute into the city, a concept known as the functional urban region. To ensure a good data availability, Eurostat adjusts the LUS boundaries to administrative boundaries that approximate the functional urban region. The definition was introduced in 2004 by Eurostat, the statistical agency of the European Union, in agreement with the national statistics offices in the member states. Data is provided on cities in the EU, its candidate countries and EFTA countries. Several cities were excluded by definition from the 2004 list of LUZs on technical, definitional grounds, such as the coincidence of the metropolitan area with the urban zone. In 2006, LUS definitions were changed significantly, improving the comparability of LUS definitions across different countries, and allowing for almost all cities to be included. List of larger urban zones. This is a list of larger urban zones. The Urban.It also includes cities from EFTA countries and EU candidate countries. The figures in the Eurostat database are an attempt at a compromise between harmonized data for all of the European Union, and with availability of statistical data, making comparisons more accurate. This is a list of larger urban zones by population as of 2004. The 2004 Urban.It also includes cities from EFTA countries and EU candidate countries, although the only candidate country for which there is available data is Turkey. Some cities, including Marseille, Lille, Nice, Córdoba, Badajoz, Toulon and Montpellier, were excluded from the 2004 list on technical, definitional grounds, such as the coincidence of the metropolitan area with the urban zone. Urban.It. Eurostat's Urban.It is about much more than demographics. In order for it to be useful as a policy tool to the European Commission and other authorities, it contains data for over 250 indicators across the following domains: demography, social aspects, economic aspects, civic involvement, training and education, environment, travel and transport, information society, culture and recreation.